Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to stop lagging on your Xbox Series S. So I'm going to cover, if you're playing a game and the frames are dropping a lot, but also network lag as well, how to fix both of those. So let's start off with, the game's lagging, the frames are dropping. In order to solve this, you just need to head over to settings, and then you need to click on general, and then click on here, TV and display options. Click on this one, and you just want to lower the resolution of the display. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on resolution, and you can see you can lower it down to 1080p. That may not always solve the lag issue, so you may want to lower it as low as 720p, and let's say game's lagging, running at a lower frame rate. If you lower it all the way down to 720p, while the picture quality may not be as good, this will solve the lag issue while playing games. Another thing you can do as well, go to video mode and make sure that if you have HDR on, you turn it off. HDR, essentially what it does is it gives you a higher color range, and with this higher color range while playing the games, it's going to cause lag because that's to lose those extra colors. So if you just turn this off, that will also help frame rate as well. Now let's talk about network lag. The reason why this happens is because you have high congestion on your network. What does that mean? Well, let's say you're downloading a bunch of stuff. Well, not as much network is available to send and receive data which the game is requiring. So what you want to do first of all is you want to click on the Xbox logo, My Games and Apps, Seal, and if you have anything in the queue, there'll be a queue here. So we can manage queue. If there's anything in the queue, you just want to pause any downloads which are in the queue. This is because when stuff is downloading in the background, that's going to take up network traffic. It's going to increase congestion. Therefore, you're going to have extra lag while playing your online games. Another thing you want to do as well is if you have any other family members who are watching Netflix, stuff like that, that will cause lag while playing games. So if you're in a situation where you can't tell your family member to stop watching Netflix or to stop watching YouTube or to stop downloading the files, what you could do is you could set up a hotspot from your phone and then go to settings and then general network settings and then connect to that network which you started your own hotspot, and then from there, because you're the only user, you shouldn't have any issues while using the network. Really, that's all there's to it. If you can't get your other people to stop using the network and you can't set up a hotspot, well, you just have to wait for a better time when they're not streaming Netflix to use the network in order to have no lag. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.